Alright, the Copart Xterra 2000 Nissan Xterra Copart. The first oil change on it. So, went to Walmart, got some 10W30 synthetic filter. And engine oil dipstick, if you're not sure where they're located. And to get some orientation, there is the oil filter, the Fram. This Xterra did not have the skid guard on the front, so I didn't have to worry about taking that off. And then, trying to show you the drain plug. Drain plug right there. So there's your orientation, your passengers, wheel, drain plug, and then right to the front of that, oil filter. You can see the alternator up there. Pretty easy job. Very easy job to do on this vehicle. Very simple. I actually had my daughter do it for the first time. She says it's gonna be her vehicle, that she can change it. So there you go. Locations for oil filter change on the 2000 Nissan Xterra.